For years, we've been stuck between a notch and the dynamic island. But what if Apple takes a completely different approach? Imagine the iPhone SE4 ditching both designs in favor of a punch-hole camera. Would this change revolutionize the SE lineup? Let's find out. But before we proceed, please hit that subscribe button as a gesture of support and motivation. A punch-hole camera would give the iPhone SE4 a modern edge-to-edge display, making it look more in line with Android competitors. It would also free up more screen space, offering a cleaner viewing experience. This means Apple will have to find a way to integrate Face ID under the display. Apple could bring back Touch ID, possibly integrating it into the power button like the iPad Air and iPad Mini. One major advantage of a punch-hole camera is that it would make the iPhone SE4 look more premium without significantly increasing production costs. The current SE models have always been criticized for using outdated designs, but with a punch-hole cutout, the device would feel much more modern. This could attract a wider audience, especially users who want an iPhone with a fresh look at a lower price. However, Apple typically introduces design changes in flagship models before bringing them to budget devices. If the iPhone SE4 adopts a punch-hole camera, it could hint at future iPhones moving toward under-display Face ID, eliminating the need for a notch or dynamic island altogether. This would align with industry trends, as many smartphone brands are working on full-screen designs with minimal cutouts. Another factor to consider is software optimization. Apple has built iOS around the notch and dynamic island experience, integrating animations and notifications to enhance user interaction. Switching to a punch-hole design might require adjustments to how Apple handles system notifications, multitasking, and other features. While Android manufacturers have been using punch-hole cameras for years, Apple may want to refine the experience before implementing it. A major question is whether Apple would introduce such a change in the SE lineup first. The SE series has always borrowed older iPhone designs, so breaking this pattern would be unexpected. However, if Apple wants to make the SE4 stand out, adopting a punch-hole camera could be a strategic move. It could also serve as a test before bringing this design to the main iPhone lineup. While a punch-hole camera would make the iPhone SE4 look sleek and modern, but Apple's focus on software integration and user experience might keep them from making this shift, at least for now. But if Apple surprises us with this fresh design, it could redefine the SE lineup in a way no one expected. What do you think about the punch-hole camera design in iPhones? Which design you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description and I section. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.